everybody, welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to share you how to build your PC just like a workstation, professional workstation. So this video is not about a promote this Lenovo brand to because the Lenovo brand don't give me a single pennies to make this video. This is not actually professional works, this is not actually promotional video. So you can buy the Lenovo workstation or Dell workstation and HP workstation, because in our world HP, Dell and Lenovo, the three company are manufacturing, the main manufacturing companies who are making the professional workstation for creative people and for scientific research. So I want to help you to make through this video to how to buy workstation and how to customize your workstation for high-end works, just like scientific research, data mining and 3D simulation. So this is not my recommendation. I asked to CHAT GPT. So the difference between the consumer grade and professional grade, I also asked to what the computer good for 3D work rendering. I want to say consumer grade or professional grade. And if you want to buy the consumer grade, i7 and i9 or AMD Ryzen 7 9 series is faster computation, and professional grade the workstation gets CPU such. You can see here the professional grade computer often used by the studios and individual load demanding. So Xeon, Intel Xeon or AMD Ryzen threadripper series. So you can see here I have already opened the AMD Ryzen, or this one, this is the RTX 4000. So you will see after few time when consider computing CPU. And secondly, I asked to CHAT GPT. This video is recommended by CHAT GPT, because in the present world 80% artists and 80% people and netizen trust in CHAT GPT, because it is the computer generated AI machines database. You can say this is database, and database always say you the truth, should not lie. The specification, or you can see consumer grade. You can see the consumer grade computer GeForce GTX and RTX or AMD Radeon RX series. This is a consumer grade. This you can have this device, and this device you can get in open market easily. But the professional grade target for professional likes design architecture, this device you can get this device in open market easily for optional to run specification. So I wide 3D industry use the professional grade computer. So if you want to buy a professional grade computer, so I have opened the Lenovo because at present world Lenovo is the leading manufacturer of professional and consumer grade workstation. So I have shop P series, you can scroll it down, Aston Martin on Lenovo workstation, oil gas, you can see here oil gas, engineering, architecture, media and entertainment, finance, medical science and artificial intelligence. Medical for science and engineering, oil and gas and media entertainment need a very high-end computer to perform their needs. Performance tuner. So ThinkStation P series workstation. I don't want to go the P series mobile workstation. So click on here P series, and I want to you can see here threadripper. You can see here the component feature high-end processor just like a AMD threadripper. This is not my recommendation, this is a CHAT GPT, and I open you can see here the AMD threadripper. I have opened already this website. Designed AMD Ryzen threadripper processor, design built accelerate on ultimate workstation processor. This CPU is very expensive. It is not very expensive if you want to buy a 12 core, so it is not expensive. If you want to buy 64 core, it around the 5 lakh rupees. 5 lakh rupees you can convert it into US dollar. 5 lakh rupees in Indian price. So if you go to the threadripper, so here you can buy the P series 520. It is an Intel Xeon processor, come with the Intel Xeon processor, and only this model ThinkStation P620 tower AMD Ryzen threadripper Pro. So I want to customize this one. So what is this technology build pro mobility, you can see here. Now this is the main point. This year we began the migrate all this. You can see the all company comment, and industrial light. You can know about the industrial light and magic, industrial light and ILM. You can see the ILM stay scrap, industrial light and magic. This is the VFX industry who make the Hollywood, most the blockbuster Hollywood movies. Threadripper Pro, you can see the best performance processor. So next one, Chaos. Ever inside the Ryzen threadripper, you can see here. And this first one, Epic Game. Even in the Epic Game said we didn't expect to see the AMD Threadripper Pro 2032 core 5975 series based with, you can see here, this is not my recommendation, this is recommended by the Epic Chaos Industrial Light. Yeah. So if you want to know about the Binyan and Industrial Light ILM, so you can search on the YouTube, so you can easily know about the Industrial Light and industry, because I know about the Industrial Light and industry. So you can know what the AMD Threadripper Pro 500 series, WX 700 series, so you can know about this one. You open the Unreal Engines, you can see here the Unreal Engine, Chaos V-Ray Resource or 5000 series, Unreal Engine, Corona, AUTODESK Maya, Corona, Intel Xeon. It compared to Intel Xeon or W9, AMD Intel W9 is all Xeon series. This is 7000 series Unreal Engine. So now I'm gonna customize this one. It has no graphics card, so you can see here this one. So I want to customize this one. I want to build this one. So we are sorry, this configuration is no longer available in our country. Process will available, item, cancel order, so get here, but I want to customize it. I want to make the CPU as same as the company decided. I don't want to buy a more price, because if I buy the AMD Ryzen Threadripper Pro, the S1 to 8,28,000, so it is a very crazy. I want to make this one in a limitation for it is very it is okay to, if you choose AMD Threadripper, it is okay, but it is very expensive for individual person. So next thing is always because it has a 8 channel So if you want to buy 16 into 2 16 into 2 32. So if you want to buy 60 minimum, I recommended you minimum 4, because 16 into 4 into 64 gig RAM, it is minimum. So 3,41,000. So 4 quantity, and second is the graphics card, the main. You can choose either AMD Radeon Pro or RTX 4000 series, because RTX A series, this graphics card is for especially for professional. You can see here RTX A 2000. This is NVIDIA technology to professional workstation with powerful pro design. But if you want to because if you want to argument to me, if you told me that Z4 RTX 3080 family the ultimate play, so go back to here. You can see here the consumer grade computer. CHAT GPT said the NVIDIA Z4 GTX or RTX series or AMD Radeon Pro RTX series. The CPU is this component for consumer level, and you carefully see on the here what company claim. The company claims that Z4 RTX Ti RTX 3080 graphics card deliver the performance that the gamer crave. Obviously this RTX Z4 RTX series make your scene to render time quick, but company never claim that this card for professional. This second generation they build for only on Z4 RTX. This is for you can see here accelerate performance, lowest system capacity, fast tracking, AI enhanced build for live streaming, best for expand for every game. You can see here the best experiments for every game. But you can see here the A2000 series powered by the NVIDIA Ampere architecture. You can see here it design software RTX all stars, ready to buy, what to buy. And this series 4000 what to buy. This is powered by the this for professional. Actually this graphics card RTX A series or Quadro A series, this is really for professional. This company claim. This is not my recommendation. Company claim this CPU is for professional, but everybody says to me that this is speed doesn't matter. So I want to choose the A series. Either you want to choose the Radeon Pro W, this one. No, I don't want to choose the AMD Radeon Pro. You can either this one NVIDIA RTX 2012 skip or AMD Radeon Pro W 6600 8GB RAM. So it is very high price and very Quadro. It is very 10 lakhs rupees, 1 million dollars, 1 million, 10 lakhs rupees, 1 million dollar. So I want to choose the 85, or you can these two are good for, but this one this AMD Radeon Pro W57 Pro 5700 8GB DDR6. You can see here AMD Radeon Pro W. These are 8GB 98,000, and this is the 1 lakh. This is these are the same, but it is very expensive than this one, so I want to choose this one, 85,000. So you can see here that it goes up 4,25,000. This is the main. And last one, I want to choose, I don't want to choose the second graphics card because this CPU can handle the 6 GPU at a time, so I don't want to buy this one. So, and the last one, the first AIC to select one. This is optional. Storage, no storage. Hard disk RPM, hard disk type. First storage 1 TB hard disk is okay because I want to buy a I don't want to install the Windows. I want to buy Linux on here, or Fedora or Ubuntu. So, and this one, slim DVD-ROM, I want to add it here, slim DVD-ROM, and Ethernet, integrated Ethernet, including Intel Wi-Fi, no wireless LAN. We don't need a no wireless LAN because I want to buy a HP. I want to connect this machines with a wire, no keyboard, USB traditional back English keyboard. This one, price pointing device, USB color. I don't want to buy this traditional mouse. I want to buy a vertical mouse for professional. You can see the vertical mouse. It is good for this mouse. This mount is good for our professional work because it make your hand very relaxed. You can use this mouse, power cord or Tower 1000 series. And so this is the price. So how to customize, how to build your this Lenovo p620 threadripper workstation. So I hope this customization is enough good for entry level to build your PC, just like a professional threadripper CPU, threadripper machine. So this so I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. See you again in the next video with a new review. Bye bye.